Hello students, how is everything at home? Now we continue with the solution to our mock examination. We are going to continue with number 3. We have the question for number 3A on the board. The question says that the angle of depression of a point G on a horizontal gland from the top T of an electric pole is 25 degrees. If the distance from G to the foot of the pole is 45 meters, calculate the height of the pole. Now, this question is under elevation and depression. And I believe that the topic elevation and depression you have been taught. So in that case, if it is not well understood before, please open your ears now and at the same time open your eyes and follow me. The angle of depression of a point G on a horizontal gland from the top T of an electric pole. That means we have an electric pole. Let us assume that this is the what? This is the electric pole. The top of this electric pole is being tagged capital letter T. They now say the angle of depression is 25 degrees to the ground. Angle of depression, you are going to trace that one towards this. Let me decide to trace it to this what direction. Is making an angle of depression. The angle of depression that is making with is what? Is 25 degrees. Now, if the distance from G, this is our G here. Now, if the distance from G to the foot of the pole, this is the foot of the pole, is 45 meters. That means from here to this place is 45 meters. Calculate the height of the pole. We have to calculate this height. Automatically, this place is 90 degrees. We have to calculate this place. Let us tag the height as what? H. That means we are looking for what? H. And in that case, this is angle of depression which is 25 degrees. There is something in mathematics. Here is what? This is 90 degrees. If this place is 25 degrees, what is this angle inside the what? The angle inside the right angle triangle that we have here. What is going to be this angle at the top here? We all know that angle 90 is equal to what? That is 90 degrees. In that case, we are going to subtract 25 from 90 degrees to let us have this particular what? Angle. We subtract 25 from 90 degrees minus 25. This one is going to give us what? This one will give you are going to arrive at 65 degrees. Now, if this is 65 degrees, there is another rule in which you can apply by saying that this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. They call it alternate angle in mathematics. This angle that we have here is equal to this angle. They call it alternate what? Angle. In that case, this place can also be what? Can also be 25 degrees. It is also what? 25 degrees. You can make use of this angle. Likewise, you can make use of this angle to determine your height. To determine the height of this right angle triangle in which you have to look for. Now, either of the two, whether you use 65 degrees and 45 meters, or you decided to use 25 degrees and 45 meters, match either of the two together to determine your age. You are still going to arrive at the same answer. If you use 25, you are going to arrive at the same answer as when you use what? When you use 65 degrees. Now, in my own case here, I have decided to make use of 25 degrees. If I have decided to make use of 25 degrees, there is something in trigonometry, they call it SOHCAHTOA, in which I believe all of you know it. SOHCAHTOA. 12. You are going to look into this right angle triangle. Which side is the opposite, which side is the adjacent, and which side is what? Hypotenuse. From what we have here, this is our what? Hypotenuse, which happens to be the longest line in the right angle triangle. I said I decided to make use of 25 degree. If I'm using 25 degree, that means our edge here is my what? Opposite. While 45 degree is my adjacent. Now from SOHCAHTOA, which of these items match opposite and what? Adjacent together? Which of these match opposite and adjacent together? If you look into it critically, this is sine opposite and hypotenuse, cos adjacent and hypotenuse, tan opposite and adjacent. In that case, we are making use of what? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite all over adjacent. We are making use of tan theta, which is opposite all over adjacent. From the right angle triangle given that we've drawn here, what is our opposite? Our opposite is h. Our tan is 25 degree, which is equal to h all over the adjacent, which is 45 meter. Now, if you now check your 4-figure table very well, if you check your 4-figure table, what is tan 25? From your 4-figure table, you are going to notice that tan 25 is 0.4663 is equal to h all over 45 meter. When you have this in mathematics, we are looking for h. We have this particular numbers equals to h over 45. What the best thing for you to do is to cross multiply. If you now cross multiply, you are going to have h times, assume this one is over 1, is equals to 0.4663 multiplied by 45. Multiplied by 45. Now in that case, h times 1 is what? H is equals to 0.4663 times 45. This one is going to give you, if you calculated it very well, you are going to arrive at 20.98 meter. 20.98 meter. That is for question number 3A. Therefore, the height that we are asked to determine is 20.98 meter. That is our height. Now question number 3B. In this question number 3B, you are given that solve the equation 2x minus 2 all over 3 is equals to 3x plus 3 all over 2. I used to tell you something, whenever you are given a fraction equals to another fraction, two things involved. The first thing is that is either you cross multiply or you find the LCM of both sides and then use the LCM to multiply both sides as well. Now let us apply this. We want to cross multiply. We have 2x over 3 is equal to 3x plus 3 over 2. Now cross 2x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 3x plus 3 all over 2. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you are saying that the element in the upper part here should multiply the denominator here. Element of numerator here should multiply the other side here as well. Now we have 2 into bracket 2x minus 2 bracket close is equals to 3 into bracket 3x plus 3. Close the bracket. Now let us remove the brackets. If you want to remove the brackets, we said we want to remove brackets. 2 multiplied by 2x, that will give us 4x. 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4, is equals to 3 multiplied by 3x, that is 9x. 3 multiplied by 3, that is plus 9. Having arrived at this, we are looking for x. The best thing for us to do here is to do what? Collect like terms. We want to collect like terms. That is, the variables and the figures with letter x should be in one side, while the figure without any alphabet should be at the other side. Now we have 4x. We want to carry 9 here. This 9x, we are bringing it to this side. Here it is plus 9x. The moment this 9x cross this place, cross the equality sign to this side, is going to change to what? Minus 9x. Now is equals to, when 9x left this place, it remains 9 plus 9, waiting for minus 4 to come. This minus 4 will also jump equality sign. It's going to change to what? Plus. It is because of the equality sign that the minus jump. That's why it changes to what? Plus 4. In that case, 4 minus 9 will give us what? 4 minus 9 will give us minus 5x is equals to 9 plus 4 is what? That is 13. If you have minus 5x is equals to 13 and we are looking for x at this junction, we are going to divide both sides by minus 5. If you are dividing both sides by minus 5, we are going to have minus 5x over minus 5 is equals to 13 all over minus 5. Minus will cancel minus. 5 will also cancel 5. At this particular side, we are left with x is equals to, the other side here, we have 13 all over minus 5. And if you have 13, if you have minus 13 all over 5, this is a what? What type of fraction is this? This is improper fraction. And whenever we are having improper fraction, we are going to convert it to what? Mixed fraction. How are we going to convert 13 over 5 to mixed fraction? 5 in 13. That is what? That is 2. You are going to write it as minus 2 whole number, minus 2 whole number, 3 all over 5. Minus 2 whole number, 3 all over 5. And that will be our final answer for the case of question number 3b. That will be our final answer. That is minus 2 whole number, 3 all over 5. Now the next question. The next question that we have, that is question number 3c. Question number 3c says that we are to, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1960. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Now, that question number 3c, the sum of interior angle of irregular polygon. Regular polygon is 1980 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Now solution to this one. There is one formula here that says that the sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is equals to what? That's a question for you. The sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is equals to what? The sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2. The sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2. If we have this, and the question is now telling us that the sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is 1980, find the number of sides. Here, the n stands for the number of sides. In that case, we are to look for n. We are to look for what? N. The sum have already been given to us, but we do not know the number of sides. We are now going to rewrite it as 1980 is equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2. If we have this, we open the brackets. 1980 is equal to 180 multiplied by n, that is 180 n, minus 180 multiplied by 2, that will give us what? That is going to give us 360. That will give us 360. Now we are going to collect like terms. We are going to collect like terms. We are going to collect like terms. We are going to have 1980. Carry this minus 360 to this side is going to give us plus 360 is equal to 180 n. So in that case, if you added this one up properly, you are going to arrive at 2340, which is equal to 180 n. We are looking for n. What are we going to do to get our value of what? N. You are going to divide both sides by 180. In that case, we have 2340 all over 180 is equal to 180 and all over 180. 180 we cancel 180. Here we are left with what? N. The 0 we cancel is 0 here. 18 in 234. 18 in 234, that is going to give us 13. In that case, our number of sides, therefore, number of sides of the polygon is equal to 13. That is, our value of n is equal to 13. That is 13 sides. 13 sides. Now we move to question number 3D. Question number 3D. In that of question number 3D, we are given a triangle. You are given a triangle and you are asked to find the value of x in the triangle given. Question number 3C, you are given this triangle. I say find the value of x in the diagram below. And what is that diagram? You are given this you are given this triangle. They call this place 45 degree. This place this angle to be 2x plus 30 degree. We call this angle 90 minus x degree. We are now asked to find the value of x, and there is a rule. There is a rule that the sum of angle in a triangle is equals to what? Is equals to 180 degree. No matter how big the triangle is, and no matter how small that triangle is, the sum of angle that you are going to have in that triangle must equal to what? 180 degree. So in that case, this angle is 45. This one is combination of variables and figure. This one is also combination of variable and what? Figure. And we know that there is a rule that says that addition of this angle plus this angle plus this angle, everything must equal to what? 180 degree. You are now going to rewrite it as, your solution will now be this: 45 degree plus 2x plus 30 degree plus 90 minus x degree. Everything is equal to 180 degree. Everything equals to 180 degree. Now we are going to remove the brackets. By the time we remove the brackets, we are going to have 45 degree plus 2x plus 30 plus 90 minus x is equals to 180 degree. When we are through with this, we are going to collect like terms because we are looking for x. We are looking for x. We have collect like terms. Now we are going to arrive at 2x minus x is equals to, I've matched this x, 2x, and this ones together. The minus here belongs to x, not 90. Is equals to 180. Take away all these values, 45, 30, and 90 to the other side. Minus 45, minus 30, minus 90. Why are they minus, minus, minus like that? It is because here in this particular side, they are in plus form. They are in positive form. And whenever positive jump equality sign to the other side, is going to change to what? Minus. It's going to change to negative. That is why we have minus 45, minus 30, and minus 90. Now 2x minus x. This will give us x is equals to 180 minus 45 minus 30 minus 90. If you make the subtraction, if you subtract it very well, your final answer that you are going to have here is going to be 15. So in that case, the value of x is equal to what? 15. The value of x is equal to 15. How sure are we that this value of x that is equal to 15 here is the right answer, or is the correct answer that we're supposed to get? We can cross-check. How do we cross-check that? We already know that addition of all the angles that we have here must equal to what? 180 degree. Now let us replace the value of the x here with what? With 15. We are going to have 45. This one is not part of it. I just want to check whether the value that we arrive at here is right or wrong. We have 45 plus 2x, let's just leave it, plus 2x plus 30 plus 90 minus x. This is 45 plus 2 into bracket. What is this? 15. Close it. Plus 30 plus 90 minus 15. I've replaced x with 15. Now 45 plus 2 multiplied by 15 will give us what? That is 30 plus 30 plus 90 minus 15. Now, this is 30 and this is 30. This is what? 60 plus 90. 45 plus 45 minus 15. That will give us what? If you minus 15 from 45, this will give us what? 30 plus. Now 30 plus 60 is what? 90. 90 plus 90 is what? That is 180. That means our value for x that we arrive at here is what? Is the correct value for x. In that case, that is how you are going to cross-check your answer in case of next time. If you are given such a triangle and you are given the combination of variable and figure, after you get the variable finished, the variable is x. After you get your variable finished, you can still cross-check your answer whether you are right or wrong. Now that is where we are going to stop for that of question number 3, because just only 3A, B, C, and what? And D. This one is even D, not C. This one is D. So that is for question number 3. The next episode of this class is going to be the question number 4 of your mock examination. So in that case, I wish you best of luck. Please and please, I keep on saying it, that do not just stay at home without doing anything. Make sure you revise your notes very well as your last well past questions and some other questions on mathematics that you can lay your hands up, that you already know that is going to what is going to boost your morale and is also going to assist you in calculations in calculations rather. I wish you best of luck. May God Almighty Allah enrich you in wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and make you be one of the most successful ones in the nearest future.